months since the West Bengal Assembly election results, but there is no political calm in the state. The fire of post-poll violence has refused to die down. A committee constituted by the Calcutta High Court to investigate allegations of post-poll violence in the state has submitted its report in a sealed envelope. And the National Human Rights Commission team that was attacked in Jadavpur yesterday while carrying out its probe will also be part of this report. Here's more.
Jadavpur is on the edge. A team of National Human Rights Commission that reached on Tuesday to probe the post-poll violence met with violent opposition. Hundreds of locals came out of their houses and attacked the NHRC team. Despite the presence of central forces, the locals stopped the team from interacting with the victims of election violence or assessing the damage. It is alleged that 40 houses were destroyed in Jadavpur during post-poll violence.
कुछ गुंडों ने हम पर भी अटैक करा, पुलिस पर भी अटैक करा, हमें मारने की कोशिश करी, हमें भगाने की कोशिश करी। ये हाल हमारे साथ है।
Hours after TMC swept the Bengal polls in May, an unprecedented wave of violence swept many parts of the state. There were incidents of murder, loot, and arson. Allegations of sexual violence were also leveled by several women. The Calcutta High Court, after hearing a plea, directed the NHRC to probe the post-poll violence in the state. The court had asked the Rights Panel to submit a report by June 30th. After the attack on the NHRC probe team, a full-blown political war erupted between the ruling Trinamool and BJP. The BJP has blamed the TMC for the attack.
कहीं बीजेपी शासित राज्य में कोई घटना दुर्भाग्यवश हो जाए, उसका हम समर्थन नहीं करते, लेकिन तुरंत ऐसे चिल्लाते हैं जैसे ये बहुत बड़ा अन्याय सिर्फ बीजेपी राज्य में हो रहा है। लेकिन बंगाल में टारगेट किया जाता है महिलाओं को। मुख्यमंत्री महिला है।
एनएचआरसी तो खुद नहीं आया, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट नहीं भेजा, हाई कोर्ट का डायरेक्शन में आया है। वो हाई कोर्ट में बोलना चाहिए, लेकिन हालत इतना खराब है, इधर किसी को भी छूट नहीं है।
The ruling party in Bengal has rejected the charges.
और बंगाल को जनता अगर मरना है, बेइज्जत करना है, तो नेशनल ह्यूमन कमीशन को नहीं करता है। वो करना है तो अमित शाह, नरेंद्र मोदी को 2 थप्पड़ दे देते हैं, 213 करके रिजल्ट कर देते हैं।
Meanwhile, a 5-member civil society fact-finding team has made some damning revelations. The report was submitted to MOS Home G. Kishan Reddy in Delhi. According to the findings of the Call for Justice group, most of the post-poll violence incidents were not sporadic but premeditated, organized, and conspiratorial. The report claims hardened criminals, mafia dons, and criminal gangs led by the deadly attacks against the political rivals of the TMC. The group also claimed that in most of the cases, victims were afraid to lodge a complaint with the police, either due to fear of reprisal or due to the lack of faith in police. The report concludes that the intensity and spread of post-poll violence could have been halted or controlled if the administration and police had acted in time.
लगभग 26 डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स के अंदर जो वेस्ट बंगाल में है, उसमें 16 जिला में 16 जिला में ये पॉलिटिकल वायलेंस हुआ है। रिपोर्ट के बाद एज पर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन जो भी कदम उठाना चाहिए वो कदम हम उठाने के लिए पूरा प्रयास करेंगे।
While the Mamata Banerjee government had a landslide victory in Bengal, the post-poll violence has taken the sheen of her victory. The attack on the NHRC probe team in Jadavpur once again raises questions over the law and order situation in Bengal. With Surya Agni in Kolkata, Bureau Report, India Today.